Let's look at the chemical effect of the current. Certain liquids such as dilute sulfuric acid or copper sulfate solution conduct electricity due to some chemical reactions that take place within them. The study of this process is called electrolysis, and the chemical changes produced during electrolysis of a liquid are due to chemical effects of the current. It depends upon the nature of the liquid and the quantity of electricity passed through the liquid. The liquid which conducts current is known as electrolyte. The material in the form of wire or rod or plate which leads the current into or out of the electrolyte is known as electrode. The electrode connected with the positive terminal of the current is called anode, and the connected with negative terminal is cathode. The vessel containing two electrodes and liquid is called a voltmeter. As an example, we consider the electrolysis of copper sulfate solution. The voltmeter contains dilute solution of copper sulfate. The anode and the cathode are both copper plates. Figure 13.16. When copper sulfate is dissolved in water, it dissociates into Cu++ and SO4- ions. On passing current through the voltmeter, Cu++ move towards the cathode, and the following reaction takes place. Cu++ plus 2 electron gives us Cu. The copper atoms thus formed are deposited at cathode plate, while copper is being deposited at the cathode. The SO4- ions move toward the anode, and copper atoms form the anode go into the solution as copper ions, which combine with sulfate ions to form copper sulfate. Cu++ plus SO4- gives us CuSO4. As electrolysis proceeds, copper is continuously deposited on the cathode, while an equal amount of copper from the anode is dissolved into the solution, and the density of the copper sulfate solution remains unaltered. This example also illustrates the basic principle of electroplating, a process of coating of a thin layer of some expensive metal, gold or silver, on an article of a cheap metal.